run into a problem. What problem do we run into, babe?
We don't know how to get him inside.
We don't know how to get him inside. Do we have an answer today?
Yeah.
I'm going to show you guys what the answer is. You get a bowl. You fill the bowl in front of him with... You think you've seen him be happy before? Yeah. You haven't seen nothing yet. Delicious. Extra creamy. All right, let's do this thing. You think he knows?
He knows he's getting something.
Look at that tail.
Are you getting the fuck up? I'm going in. Go get me in there. I know they'll get it to me.
Stay. No. Watch me. High five. Oh, wow.
Very good boy.
Now, don't you dare put your hand in there.
No. Good job, dude.
Mission accomplished. Woo! Should I say it again?
No. Good job, buddy.